Welcome to Yoga with Master Payal. I am Payal and today we are going to practice Hatha Flow Yoga. This is my new episode. So let's begin the yoga. Put your both hand up. Interlock your hand. Look up. Inhale. Exhale. Put your hands down. Inhale. Put your hands up. Interlock your hand. Spine straight. Exhale, put your hands down, look down. Inhale, put your hands up, interlock your hands, spine straight. Hold the position here. Try to feel the stretch. Lift your shoulder up. Exhale, put your hands down. Now raise your right hand up. Drop your hand on your head and stretch your neck on your side. Look up, exhale. Inhale. Now do with another side, exhale. Inhale, come back on your center. Exhale, another side. Inhale, come back on your center. Exhale, another side. Inhale, come back. Now inhale, put your hands up. Drop your right hand on your right side. Now slowly bend your body on your side, stretch your side muscle. Now come back, inhale on your center, put your hands up. Exhale, do with another side. Go down, stretch your body. Come back, inhale. Exhale, go another side. Try to stretch your body. Hold the position. Come back, inhale on your center. Exhale, another side. Go down as much as you can. Feel the stretch. Come back, inhale on your center. Now, drop your both hands on your left side. Twist your body gently. Exhale. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, do with another side. Go down, try to put your hips down. Don't lift your hips up. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, twist your body. Go down as much as you can. Come back, inhale on your center, put your hands up. Exhale, do another side. Hold your position here. Twist gently. Try to feel the stretch. Come back, inhale on your center. Now drop your right hand on your back side of your hips. Now lift your hips up, arch your back, exhale. Now come back, inhale. Those who can't able to do this pose, they can do like this. Drop your both hand on your back side of your hips. Now inhale, lift your hips up, arch your back fully. And then come back, hips down, put your hands up, inhale. Exhale, drop your hand on your right side. Stretch your body forward, spine straight, go forward as much as you can. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Now, drop your left hand on your back side of your hips, arch your back, exhale. Those who can't able to do, they can drop your both hand down and lift your hips up. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, drop your both hand on your left side, go forward, lengthen your spine. Now gently come back, inhale. Again drop your right hand down, arch your back, lift your hips up. Exhale, hold the position. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who don't have back pain, they can go forward, lengthen your spine as much as you can. Now put your both hand up, inhale. Drop your left hand down, arch your back, roll your spine, exhale. Now come back, slowly, hips down, put your hands up, inhale. Exhale, go on your left side, stretch your body. Now come back, inhale, put your hands up. Hands down, exhale. Now we will do butterfly. Join your both feet together. Interlock your hand and catch your feet. Try to jerk your leg and then focus, touch your leg to the floor and do at least 10 times. Now interlock your hand and grab your leg properly. Inhale, look up. Now slowly drop your hand on your knees and go forward, lengthen your spine. Exhale. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who don't have back pain, they can go forward, lengthen your spine. Now again, inhale, look up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Go forward as much as you can. Now one more time. Interlock your hand, look up, inhale. Exhale, go forward. Again, go down as much as you can and then hold the position here. At least hold for 5 seconds and then come back, inhale and then exhale. Put your hands down and turn your body on your side. Apart your leg and then jerk your leg. Try to relax your leg. Now apart your leg on your mat level, your toes pointed towards your ceiling. Put your hands up, inhale. Now drop your left hand on your back side of your waist. Grab your left leg of your feet with your right hand, and those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who can't able to do, they can catch your toes and then look up. Those who can able to do, they can go forward. Exhale. Come back, inhale. Again exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. You can look at me how I am doing. Go forward, exhale, lengthen your spine. Again come back, inhale, put your hands up. Go forward, exhale. Try to do knees straight. Those who can't able to do, they can bend your knee a bit. Inhale, put your hands up. Now fold your right leg. Look at my position. Inhale, put your hands up. Now drop your right hand on your back side of your hips. Arch your back, roll your spine, exhale. Your left leg should be straight. Try to do knees straight of your left leg. Come back, inhale, put your hands up. Now those who can't able to do, they can do like this. Drop your both hand on your back side of your hips and then slowly lift your hips up. Exhale. Lift your hips up as much as you can. Now come back, hips down, inhale. Put your hands up. Exhale, go forward. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who can't able to do, they can grab your toes and then look up. Those who are not having back pain or those who can able to do, they can go forward, lengthen your spine. Exhale. Inhale, come back, put your hands up. Now drop your right hand on your back side of your hips. With your left hand, try to grab your right leg of your feet, or you can grab your left leg of your knees. Spine straight, try to look at your right shoulder. Exhale. Now slowly grab your right leg of your feet with your left hand and raise your leg up. Now knee should be straight, spine straight, and then look at your right hand. Exhale. Now come back. Now grab your right leg of your feet with your left hand and drop your right hand down. Slowly raise your right leg up, look up, exhale. Knee should be straight. Now bend your right leg and drop your right leg. Now look at my position. Those who can't able to do or those who are having knee pain or ankle pain, they can do like this. Put your hands up, inhale, spine straight. Now with your left hand, grab your right leg of your knees and slowly go down, exhale. Those who can't able to do, they can do like this. Those who can able to do, they can grab your feet of your left leg and then look up, exhale. Come back, inhale, put your hands up, go forward, lengthen your spine, exhale. Those who are having back pain, they can look up. Those who are not having back pain, they can go forward. Inhale, put your hands up, exhale, hands down. Now again, shake your leg, relax your leg. Now leg change, bend your left leg. Inhale, put your hands up. Now drop your left hand, arch your back, roll your spine, exhale. Now come back slowly. Inhale, put your hands up. Now drop your both hand on your back side of your hips. Those who can't able to do, they can do like this. Lift your hips up as much as you can. Come back, inhale, put your hands up, look up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine, grab your feet, go forward and hold the position here. Now again, slowly lift your hand up, inhale. Drop your left hand on your back side of your hips. With your right hand, try to grab your right leg off your knees. Spine straight, look at on your left shoulder, exhale. Now grab your feet. Try to do knees straight, spine straight, look at your left hand, exhale. Now come back. Drop your left hand on your mat and then with your right hand grab your left leg off your feet, knees straight, look up, exhale. Now again, bend your left leg, right leg should be straight, put your hands up, inhale. Now drop your right hand on your left leg of your knees, go down as much as you can. Now grab your feet properly, look up, exhale. Now come back, put your hands up, inhale. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Now try to do spine straight, don't hunch your back. Now inhale, come back, hands up. Put your hands down, exhale and then shake your leg straight. Now cross your leg, drop your hand forward, come back to cat and cow pose. Now drop your both elbow, maintain your gap. Your legs should be in a 90-degree position. Your knees, ankle and then hips should be in the same line. Now raise your right leg up, left hand up, inhale. Now hold the position here. Now drop your left hand down, right leg on your right side. Raise your right hand up, exhale, look at your hand, spine straight, hold the position. Come back, inhale. Put your hands up. Now drop your left hand on your left leg and then arch your back, exhale. Now come back, put your hands up, inhale. Hands down, exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Now hands should be straight. Your left leg should be in a 90-degree position. Now come back, inhale, grab your right leg off your ankle with your left hand, drop your shoulder down, raise your right hand up, look at your hand, exhale. You can see in this video how I am doing. Now drop your hands down. Now raise your right leg up and then drop your right leg on your left side, arch your back, raise your right hand up, exhale. Hold the position here and then come back, inhale, drop your right leg down. Now hips down and then relax in child position. Again come back to cat and cow pose. Now change your leg. Raise your left leg up, right hand up, inhale. Drop your hand down, drop your leg down on your side. Now slowly raise your left hand up. Exhale, spine straight, look at your hand. Come back, inhale. Put your hands up, raise your hand up. Drop your right hand on your right leg. Arch your back, look at your left hand, exhale. Now come back, inhale, put your hands up. Exhale, go forward, lengthen your spine. Now try to touch your chest to your mat. Come back, inhale. Now grab your left leg off your ankle with your right hand, drop your right shoulder down, raise your left hand up, exhale. Now come back, inhale, put your hands down. Now slowly drop your left leg on your left side, exhale, look at your hand. Now come back, inhale. Again go to child position, relax your body. Now come back, go to downward facing dog pose. Exhale, knees straight. Now heels down, Don't lift your heels up. Raise your left leg up. Inhale. Now slowly drop your left leg down. Now your both heels should be in the same position. Slowly raise your right hand up, left hand down in a triangle pose. Look at your right hand. Drop your hand down and then apart your leg a bit. Bend your left leg off your knees and right leg should be straight, heels up, left hand up. Exhale. Drop your hands down. Now arch your back as much as you can. Go back, roll your spine. Now come back. Inhale. Go forward. Drop your hand forward. Lengthen your spine. Exhale. Spine should be straight. Now slowly come back. Inhale. Go back. Drop your knees. Chest, chin down. Now cobra position. Inhale. Bend your shoulder. Come back to downward facing dog pose. Exhale. Knees straight. Raise your right leg up. Inhale. Now drop your leg down. Now your right leg should be in a front side and left leg should be in a back side. Both heels should be together. Right hand down, left hand up. Inhale in a triangle pose. Now drop your both hand down. Right leg bent. Left leg should be straight. Heels up, right hand up. Exhale. Now come back. Drop your both hand down. Bend your right leg. Left leg should be straight. Put your hands back. Arch your back. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Put your hands forward. Lengthen your spine. Go forward. Try to push your hips down. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Now put your right leg back. Drop your knees. Chest, chin down. Inhale. Go to cobra. Round your shoulder back. Look forward. Exhale. Go to downward facing dog pose. Knees straight. Spine straight. Now slowly drop your knees down. Hips down. Put your hands on your side. Open your leg forward. Now shake your leg. Relax your leg. Relax your leg muscles. Lie down on your mat. Bend your left leg and then bend your right leg. Feet should be together, same like a butterfly. Interlock your hand and grab your feet. And slowly jerk your body forward. Now go forward. You have to do at least 10 to 15 times after the practice of Yogasana. This is really very good for your back. If you are suffering from back pain, so you can do at least 5-6 times, you can relieve after that. Now lift your head up and try to touch your head to your forehead to your feet. Now twist your body. Now drop your leg on your left side and look at on your right side. Exhale. Come back. Inhale. Exhale. Do another side. Inhale. Exhale. Do another side. Inhale. Now leg straight. Apart your leg, apart your hand, your palm facing towards your ceiling. Now raise your left hand up, right leg bent, and then turn your body on your left side. Now sit down in a comfortable position. Turn your body forward and then sit down.
Thank you everyone for watching my video. If anyone here new viewers, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Be remember to press the bell icon. And guys, feel free to comment me related to any health issue or related to any tips. Or you can DM me on my Instagram ID. I can give you the link below the description so that you can go press the link button and then you can message me there. I will always ready to help you guys. If you need any videos related to any health issue or anything, you can drop me a comment. So guys, till then, bye bye, take care, see all of you again.
Hey guys, subscribe my channel and you can follow me on my Instagram account.